In this video, we will learn how to install Turbo C C++ on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. Here type our website Studiopedia. Click on it. After reaching the website, go below. Here you need to click on the C tutorial. After clicking the C tutorial, that is the following link, click on the left menu Set Environment for C. Here the section is visible and the download button is visible for Turbo C C++. Click on it. On clicking, the zip file will download. Let's wait. The zip file downloaded. Right click and click Show in folder. Here is the zip file. Right click and select Extract All. Click Extract. We have extracted the zip file. Double click, open it, and the setup file is visible. Double click the setup file to install Turbo C. Minimize. Click Next. Accept the terms. Click Next. Turbo C will get installed in C drive. Click Install. When I'll click Finish, it will launch. Also, the desktop shortcut is visible. Click Finish. Now you can see the screen is visible. If you don't want the full screen mode, you can just uncheck this. Okay. Also, you can directly click New Project from here. I'll just click Start Turbo C++. Now Turbo C is visible. If you want it in full screen, press Alt and Enter. I'll press it. And now it is visible in full screen. If you want to exit from here, you can click File and click Quit. So guys, in this way we can install Turbo C on Windows 11. For a free C tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added links to run C or C++ under Turbo C. Thank you for watching.